Hey guys!
Hi!
First of all, you guys must watch this scenery. This is so beautiful. It looks like a hobbit village. We just looked around this place. There are a few campers who has really nice car and nice caravans, but
Yeah.
we are the only one who has poor car and then poor tent.
But this one behind us has tent.
Yeah, but it looks better than ours at least.
At least they got a gazebo.
Yeah.
We got nothing. Whenever we drive to my family's house, we always come past this campground.
Yes.
And every single time we're always like, oh, we should stop here one day and go camping. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
So finally we did.
So we are on the way back home, but we're gonna sleep over in this place.
For one night.
Yeah, for one night. So we're gonna set up our tent, and then I think we're gonna swim in the river.
It's really, really hot today, so it's great weather for a swim.
And the water is very clean, and there are a lot of fish. So hopefully I can catch some fish with my bare hand.
I'm so tired though. Like, oh, I fell asleep in the car because I was so tired and I can't wake myself up, and
I'll
I
wake you
still
up.
feel tired.
Wait.
Ow!
I'll wake you up.
Yeah. 구독, 좋아요. We finished setting up our tent and everything, well, kind of. We didn't put the tarp on the tent because it's really hot and we just really want to go swimming right now, so we're gonna do that later. Jace put in some sunscreen on. We just have to get dressed into our swimmers and then we're gonna swim in this river here. It looks so cool and refreshing, guys.
Finally, we are going to swim.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be very cold.
I think so, but actually I don't really care because it's so hot right now. I could swim in Antarctica right now.
We will see if you really can swim or not. Feel the water. What?
Ow. Guys, because it's in the mountains, so the water is very cold. We are like right at the top of the mountains.
I will go first then.
Okay. Can you really do it? Come on. Guys, I don't know, what is he doing, yoga? Like what is he doing right now? Shit guys, I'm not kidding. There was a leech on my toe. I looked down because my toe was like itchy and there was a leech on my toe. I am scared. I don't like this place anymore. Why is he looking like, why does he look like that? Bye bye. Oh my god, he actually swam. No way. Is that it? Is he coming back now? Was that it? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Oh my god. I will laugh if you slide down into the rest of the river.
It's not cold at all.
Oh. Hey, you know what? 2 leeches on my toe.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, little ones.
No, you're lying.
I'm not lying. I'm not gonna actually swim.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
my butt. I wasn't trying to wet my pants, but my butt got wet. When you were like, yo, what are you doing? I got scared and my butt was like,
큰 엉덩이, 빅바.
shut up.
아, 추워, 가자. 추워.
I didn't expect it to be this cold.
It's not very cold, but the wind is cold. The water is not cold.
What are you doing? Are you looking for yabbies? Of course you are. Literally every time we come to a river, Jace has to look for yabbies under the rocks.
Damn it.
I think it's a bit deep. Needs shallower water.
There are a lot of small fishes.
Oh.
Can you see
yeah, look at over there. Oh yeah, here. You savage. You didn't even get any. Not a single fish.
Okay, one in my hand.
Oh, bring it over. 빨리.
Can you see?
Oh, it's so tiny. Yeah. I dare you.
50 bucks?
Nah, for free, for my love.
Oh!
Yeah, you did that on purpose.
No.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I said don't film me washing my underarm.
You said let's go to have dinner.
It was very hot today, you know.
Ah! Hey, let me check if you clean properly. Okay. No smell. Good.
Smells like river water. 구독, 좋아요.
I'm gonna make fire down there.
Okay, let's go. How are we gonna make the fire?
Oh, it's too strong now.
Too strong.
I mean, it's fixed here.
Oh yeah, you can't move that. Were you gonna like take it somewhere?
Look at this. Lost it.
Ew. Let's just use our nice little grill.
I got some firewood from Kayla's backyard. There are heaps.
Some homegrown firewood. Oh yeah, we got a whole bag full, guys, to get this. Yeah, get more and more and more. We need enough firewood to cook all the meat. Hey, the weather said that it was gonna rain tomorrow, but look at the sky right now.
I know.
I think the rain is coming sooner than we actually expected.
It looks like storming. It's coming.
Yeah, I think it's gonna rain like tonight while we're sleeping. And then tomorrow is meant to rain all day, like really bad thunderstorms. So
I know it looks really bad. I think we have to wake up early in the morning and leave.
no.
I think so. Otherwise, it's gonna be raining so bad. Charcoal is ready.
Woo, finally. That's what I've been waiting to hear for 30 minutes.
Not 30 minutes.
Yeah, okay, 40 minutes.
Not 40 minutes.
Okay, 50 minutes.
Not 50 minutes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
charcoal barbecue.
Oh my god. Yes.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Salt.
Oh, go easy on the salt too. Jeez.
And garlic.
Garlic. Oh, yum yum. Oh my god. Guys, what is this? Jeez. You're worse than me at seasoning.
No, I'm gonna flip it.
Do it. Just do it.
Oh.
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 Whoa. Isn't it a little bit burnt?
No, it's normal. It's a charcoal barbecue.
알았어. Wow, but it smells so crazy good, guys. Holy crap.
I think the meat is ready.
Yes. Wow, 맛있겠다. You take the very juicy bit.
This one is better one. Shut up. Hey.
Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Holy moly. I'll try the juiciest looking piece.
Wow. Hey, the charcoal smell is so good.
Oh my god. This was worth waiting half an hour. 100%.
If we had sauce, it would be better, but we didn't bring sauce.
It's okay. I think the meat is so tender and juicy that we don't need sauce.
I'm a sauce lover, that's why I need sauce. But yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, Jace has a sauce addiction.
Round 2.
Round 2.
We've got honey soy kebab.
And it's with egg. Sounds good. I don't think we've ever had a chicken meal at a barbecue before. We've had pork, beef, lamb, but never chicken before. So this is the first chicken barbecue. Oh yeah.
I think they are ready.
I feel like I almost fell asleep waiting for those ones. They took pretty long time.
Because fire got weaker, so it took a long time. It's ready now.
Yay! Which one should I eat? I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay, I need that.
How did you know this?
That looks big and nice.
This is the best looking one. Actually, that one's the biggest one. This is just the best looking one. 맛있어. It's like real char-grilled chicken. So good, guys.
I like this smoky taste. Hey, should we pack and go back home now?
I don't know.
Getting really dark.
What if in the morning when we wake up, it's like bucketing down rain and we can't even unpack our tent because the rain's too intense? I'm actually scared. We chose such a great day to go camping